Hi, I'm Matt. I'm an expert in gambling behavior. To build wealth, there are a lot of simple rules commonly spooked, like paying off credit card balances, buying versus renting a home, etc. Many of these tips are valuable, but they do not provide a comprehensive way to analyze any personal financial decision. Instead, they're a bag of tricks. My advice is this: think about every investment as a purchase. Any purchase that increases in value over time adds to your wealth. Anything else will make you poorer. A house adds to your wealth, but a mortgage decreases it. Thus, your wealth will only grow by the amount of a house that you actually own as compared to what you owe. If you have a $50,000 deposit on a new $500,000 home, your wealth is likely to only increase in proportion to the 50K of your ownership because you must pay interest on the rest. Cars are almost always a decrease in value year on year, and people often borrow to make that purchase. Consequently, this is a particularly large drag on wealth because your car becomes rapidly worth less and less over time, and you have to pay interest for this privilege. You can use this simple rule to see if any large purchase is likely to make you richer or poorer over time. Will the thing that you buy, excluding what you borrowed to buy it, grow in value over time? A quick internet search should reveal the answer. Anyone who consistently uses this simple rule is highly likely to see their wealth grow over time. It's not rocket science. Just leave the financial wizardry to others. Please mash the buttons and leave your comments below.